Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to check your balance in your Google Play Store application. So first, head into your Play Store app, and then make sure that you have already logged in the right account in your Gmail or Google Play Store application. So first, click the profile icon that you can see in the top right corner of the screen, and then after clicking this, you can see here Manage Apps and Devices, Notifications and Offers, Payments and Subscriptions, Play Protect, Library, and Play Pass. Now I want you to click the Payments and Subscriptions. And then after clicking this, it will show you payment methods, subscriptions, budget, and history, and redeeming your code. But for this video, we just want to check our balance in our Google Play Store. Now click the payment methods, and that's it. As you can see here, you have now view or check your balance in your Google Play Store application or in your Google account. And that is how you can check your balance in Google Play Store, and thank you for listening.